sa Four Seasons Hotel.
Dito sa work namin, parang sa Pinas, sa mga hotel sa Pinas, when you come to the hotel, you don't think about yourself. You think about of how you make the guests that will come to your restaurant happy from the time that they step in until they go out. It's not just the product that we sell or the food that we sell. It's also the service and the relationship that we make. Because you don't make a money if you don't have a regular guest, if you don't give a good service. Even if you have a good food without a good service, they will not come back to you, and it means you don't have business. And that's what we do. And that's my responsibility.
Ayon kay Lourdes, maraming Filipino helpers ang inaabuso ng mga employers sa Egypt.
Hindi nila alam kung saan sila tatakbo. Yung iba naman, tinatry nilang tumakbo, kaya lang hindi sila natutulungan or na-accommodate ng ganun talaga. Tumakas sila sa amo nila, tapos hindi nila nakuha yung passport nila, hindi na nila alam kung anong gagawin nila.
Dahil dito, isang mensahe ang iniwan ni Lourdes para sa mga kapwa niya Pilipino na nasa Egypt.
Dun sa mga taong, kunyari, sinasaktan ng mga amo, yung mga umaalis kasi maliit yung sahod nila, we want to know kung paano namin mag-guide itong mga tao na to just in case na kami yung first person na makita nila. Kasi these people na pumupunta dito sa restaurant, hindi naman nila sinasadyang magkwento eh. Magkukwento sila sa amin, but we don't know how to tell them or what to tell them. Sa lahat ng hotels dito sa Egypt, merong Pilipino. Meron at merong Pilipino. And usually, nag-gather kami tuwing party or Christmas. And we always, kumbaga, nag-usap kami kung pwedeng magkaroon ng parang hotelier group dito sa Egypt. Kasi yun ang pinakamaraming o pinakamalakas or komportableng Pilipinong meron dito.